Hey Steven, I just want to show you what's going on here as I'm fixing your Nintendo. It could be either the two little pins right here in the black cage, but it's not. I checked them. They are where they should be. Sometimes they bend downward and don't make connection with the plug. The plug was awful loose, see, when I put the charger in, right? So that told me right off the bat that it's right on the board itself. So just from experience, I guess you could say, I knew that right here, there's the pins, the 4 pins, 5, 6 pins that hold this on. There's one here, here, 2 in the middle for the charging, here and here. So we wiggled it. Look, you can see it. They are, in fact, all off the circuit board except this last one over here. So they all have to be just rejoined on, resoldered on. So that's what I'm going to do for you, is do that, is resolder them back on, and I'll do that right now for you, and that should be fixed. That's why it's so loose. And she should be as good as new. Okay, here we go. So you can see me. So that's the one that was actually already done, but we're going to redo that one. And then we're going to go do this one here. I'm going to retouch him up there, because that one, that's the one that's off. Okay, I'll come back to him. I want to do these two end ones first. This is probably pretty boring to you though, but this is how I'm doing it anyway, so you have an idea of what's being done. I'll make them nice and shiny. It means that they're taken into where they should be going. Oh yeah, that's way better. And that's hot to touch. Ow! Just burned myself, as I always do, but hey, it just comes with part of the... Okay, that one's done. And finally that one's done. And that one I got a little bit extra on there, and I gotta get that off. Yeah. So now, that being said and done, that thing is not going anywhere. That is rock solid. Look at that. Can't lift that up now. So, hopefully that's going to work. I'll go charge it up and see. And now you can see the orange charge light is on because I'm holding the battery in place right there. And if I'm going to try to do this with holding, I don't know if I can do this. I'm going to try to anyway here to show you. Well, anyway, what I'm going to do is wiggle the cable, and that orange light should not go out except when I pull it out. See? So now it's going into charging mode. So that's working. So be very careful with that pin when you put it in and out.